The exact number of views required to earn $1 on YouTube can vary significantly due to various factors, including the region of viewers, the type of content, the level of advertiser demand, and viewer engagement with the ads. The average CPM cost per mille on YouTube, which represents the amount paid for 1,000 views, is generally in the range of 50 cents to $5. However, keep in mind that this is a rough estimate, and actual CPM rates can be higher or lower based on the factors mentioned above to calculate how many views are needed to earn $1. You can use the following formula: number of views required earnings goal in dollars. CPMs of the 1,000. For example, if the CPM is $2, the formula would be number of views required $1 to $80, $8,000 900 views. This means you would need approximately 500 views at a $2 CPM to earn $1. Please note that YouTube's payment system and CPM rates can change over time, so it's essential to check YouTube's official Creator Academy and the AdSense Help Center for the latest information and updates.